Can you solve this equation? 4 power of x plus 2 is equal to 45. Find the value of x. So 4 power of x plus 2 is same as 4 power x times 4 power 2. According to this exponential rule, that a power of m plus n is equal to a power m times a power n is equal to 45. In the next step, we have 4 power x times 4 power 2 is same as 16 is equal to 45. Now we divided by 16 in both sides. So divided by 16 divided by 16. So this 16 will be cancelled. Now we have 4 power x is equal to 45 over 16. In the next step, we apply log in both sides. Log of 4 power x is equal to log of 45 over 16. Now here we apply rule that log m power r is equal to r log m. This power move to the base. So this power x will move to the base. So it will be x log 4 is equal to, here we apply this formula, log of a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So it will be log 45 minus log 16. Now we need the value of x. So divided by log 4 in both sides. So divided by log 4 divided by log 4. This log 4 will be cancelled. Now we have x is equal to log 45 of log 4, then minus log 16 of log 4. In the next step, x is equal to log 45 can be written as log of 5 times 9 of log 4, then minus log 16 is same as log 4 power 2 of log 4. In the next step, x is equal to log of 5 times 9 is same as log 5 plus log 9 of log 4 minus this power 2 will move to the base. It will be 2 log 4 of log 4. Now this log 4 will be cancelled. So we have x is equal to log 5 of log 4 is same as 2 log 2, then plus log 9 is same as 2 log 3 of log 4 is same as 2 log 2. minus 2. Now this 2 will be cancelled. Now we can write here x is equal to here on over 2, then log 5 over log 2 is same as log 5 base of 2 plus log 3 over log 2 is same as log 3 base 2 minus 2. So this is the value of x. This is our final answer.